With just a few tools, the existing manual valve can be converted quickly and easily, and best of all, no plumbing is required. Your installer will have two key components from Danfoss on hand: the valve insert, which will replace the internals of the existing valve, and the room thermostat, which monitors the room temperature and automatically opens or closes the valve accordingly. The process shown here is unique to the common VariVac steam radiator heating system. To begin, the installer will remove the radiator enclosure and locate the manual valve. The manual valve handle will be removed along with the valve top and all the parts making up the internals of the valve assembly. The installer will clean and inspect the inside of the valve body. Next, the Danfoss insert will slide easily into place and be visually inspected for the proper height. After applying some Loctite to the threads, the new valve top is then installed and securely tightened. The installer will do a final check to see that the valve insert operates freely. The Danfoss Valves thermostat is now ready to be installed. The thermostat automatically allows steam into the radiator when the room is cool, and will turn off the steam to the radiator whenever the room is comfortably warm. Danfoss offers 4 models of thermostats that act independently and require no external power, as well as an electronic model that can be controlled from a central thermostat. Selection of the operator is based on 2 main factors: convenience and the ability to measure room temperature. If you prefer a temperature dial which is conveniently mounted on the wall or the radiator enclosure, a thermostat with a remote dial should be selected. On the other hand, if you prefer the dial to be hidden, most often a valve-mounted dial with remote temperature sensor is used. Attaching the thermostat to the valve is quick and easy. Most of the thermostats simply snap into place on the valve body, while some models require an Allen wrench. Now that you see how easy it is to upgrade your steam heating system, call us or visit our website for more information. Start enjoying a higher level of comfort and energy savings today.